I am Dr. Riddhi Rathi. I've been practicing for last 10 years and plus 1 year I've been practicing intensively with an endodontist. So since 2007 I've been practicing. I've done my masters in orthodontics and dentofacial orthopedics. After that, I went on to do basic and advanced implant dentistry courses. Implants I've done from conventional implants I've done from American Association of Implant Dentistry. The cortical implantology course I've done from Italy. Apart from that, I've also done a lot of fellowship programs in lingual braces and invisible braces from Invisalign and all that. Started Ortho Square. That's my clinic in 2012. 2012 when I started with 2 chairs in Vileparle East. I used to actually love teaching. So a lot of dentists used to come down to the clinic and they would be like, not be able to open their clinics because of the lack of funds sometimes, or maybe just lack of experience. You always need that supporting hand behind. So that's how the idea of starting the second branch came in when we got a 75-year-old clinic at Dadar, and that's when a lot of dentists came in, and somehow we collaborated on a larger scale and opened so many branches. So now we are having 17 branches across Mumbai, catering to anything under the roof of dentistry. So if you say my child is 3-year-old, we can treat it. If you say my grandfather is 90-year-old, we can treat it. So there is no age gap to the kind of treatment that we do. So I always say, teeth or no teeth, I have solution to everything. So for last 3 years, my concentration mainly is on surgical braces. So the patients who are going for surgery, so treating them, and dental implants, from single implant to full mouth cases. I handle only the dental implants pass, and I've also done my courses from IICD on aesthetic dentistries. Aesthetic I like to do, those are laminates and all, but I've concentrated my whole work on dental implants. Okay, so see, normally what happens in a chain of dental clinics is somehow the quality is compromised. Here, we have channelized our clinics in a way that we have specialists from every field of dentistry under this roof. And also we have supporting staff or supporting dentists who are not a part of Ortho Square, like Dr. Rajesh Sabnis, who's an oral surgeon, Dr. Yash Desai, who's an aesthetic surgeon. So these guys they are a bigger part of Ortho Square. So that's one thing. Second, we have a standardized protocol in all the clinics. There's the hygiene, the culture basically of all the clinics are same. Say suppose the case needs a smile design. So a prosthodontist, endodontist and periodontist together will work on that case, making that smile from going, say suppose from 1 to 2, if the scale could go from 1 to 10, we like to take it from 1 to 10. So that's how we work in a team, first thing. So I always say, for a body, you like to go to different doctors. You don't go for a neck pain or body pain to an eye specialist. It's similarly in dentistry. So that's how we have set it apart. That is the first USP. The second USP is availability at various branches. So what happens is, if suppose you are in one part of the city, you don't have to travel along to visit the same dentist in some other part of the city. As I said, we have 17 branches across Mumbai. The third and the most important part of Ortho Square is we are self-funded. So me and my husband, Dr. Kunal, we believe and in transforming people. We also believe that we want to invest our money or invest our time in doctors rather than invest and take it from investors. So whenever a patient walks into the clinic, there's a thorough diagnosis that happens. That is the first consult. Once the thorough diagnosis has happened, we explain all the type of treatment plans, and we explain them the pros and cons of all the treatments, and we take a consent from them. Once the consent is taken, we take forward the case. The case is discussed between the specialist of that particular case. So say suppose if it's an implant case, the periodontist, prosthodontist and implantologist and an oral surgeon together we take a call, okay, what the size and diameter of the implant. If you're looking at say a child case where the child needs braces as well as say root canals or something, so pediatric dentist and the orthodontist come together to treat that case. Similarly, if you're looking at a case which has a lot of fillings or root canals and some gum problem, so a periodontist, an endodontist, general dentist, all of them will come together, and prosthodontist to give a cap will come together, discuss the case and go forward from there. So that's how the first step goes in, and the second step is treatment, which obviously happens in every clinic. See, OrthoSquare, as I said, we believe in supporting dentists who have good handwork, supporting dentists who want to do a lot of good work. And if I keep on getting good doctors, I will keep on opening the branches. So there's no particular thing that I want to open 25 branches, 50 branches. If I see a dentist, mainly see my branches mainly have female dentists. People would be like, "Arey, why you were like but I want to empower women. So basically the idea is to empower women. I only have 2 male dentists in my complete OrthoSquare. So if I get a good dentist, I will open a branch. So see, achievements I like, the first and the foremost is my basic structure of organization, the referrals. So I would tell you that patient referring another patient and another patient referring another patient is the biggest achievement that OrthoSquare has ever got. Apart from that, in terms of awards, yes, last year in National Awards, National Health Professional Awards, I had won Excellence in Dentistry Award, highly commended, and Outstanding Dentist of the Year under the age of 45 years. That was an award that I had got special jury award last year, and also won some Dental Website of the Year, nominated for Orthodontic Clinic of the Year in FarmDent National Awards, etc. Many times. See, a healthy smile is our focus. Visit OrthoSquare Dental Clinic like it's your own place. We at OrthoSquare will do everything in our power to give you painless dentistry. In terms of older patients, I would really like to tell them that just walk into OrthoSquare to get fixed teeth. You don't need to depend on dentures at all. You can chew the hardest of things possible.